Welcome to our exploration of Plaud AI, a groundbreaking platform at the forefront of artificial intelligence. Today, we'll dive into its purpose and functionalities. Plaud AI boasts a variety of innovative features designed to enhance user experience, from natural language processing to advanced data analytics. But how does Plaud AI work? It utilizes cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning technologies to analyze data and produce valuable insights. In real-world scenarios, Plaud AI finds applications across several industries, including healthcare, finance, and marketing, transforming how businesses operate. The benefits of using Plaud AI are significant. From increased efficiency to enhanced decision-making capabilities, businesses and individuals alike gain a tremendous edge. Moving on to user experience, Plaud AI features a clean and intuitive interface, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. One of the standout features of Plaud AI is its ability to integrate with existing software and workflows, enhancing productivity without disruption. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some users who have reaped the rewards of using Plaud AI in their daily operations. As we look ahead, Plaud AI has exciting developments on the horizon, with new features and enhancements designed to further empower users. In conclusion, Plaud AI is poised to play a significant role in our technology-driven world, providing remarkable solutions for a diverse range of challenges.